Hello guys, welcome back to my channel JFrame program. Today I will teach you how to create a background image, and also I will develop a login page that will redirect to the next page if login is successful. So we will use Java Netbeans IDE. So first create a project like new project and select here the Java option, Java application, then click next, and you can choose the any project name. So here like login demo, and then click finish. Okay, so now it will create a login demo, a project. So inside this project, right click new and choose JFrame form option. Okay, and name the class name. So class name is, suppose I'm given here login, and click finish. Now select a panel option from the palette and just drop it on your login Java page, and set the layout to null. So to set the layout to null, right click upon it and select set layout options, and from here click null layout. Okay, see, when I have choose as null layout, it's not visible, the panel is not visible. So for that, just click this panel option from the left hand side in inspector panel, and see something is selected. Okay, just increase the size and just click here, increase the size, and fill the whole page with this pattern like this. Fine. Now next step is to insert the background image. We have to take a label. So this is your label, and change the name for convenience. Just right click, change variable name, and name it background. Okay, now see, name is changed, it's now background. And also insert a image. Now to insert the image, we will use the icon property. So first remove the label 1 as displayed in the text property. So just press space button and space bar and text space, so it is deleted. Now right click, click properties, or you can go through direct this property option, and here we have to choose the icon. So see, there is an icon property, and from the icon property we have to click here. It is just showing the 3 dots. So just click, so it will open a image chooser dialog box, and from the image chooser dialog box we can give the path of the image. So image may be inside your project or maybe in external image. So if the external image, so click the external image options. Normally we store an external image and import to project. And see, there is, and here from here you can go anywhere. So the desktop already is selected, and my image also I have stored in a desktop. The image name is back.jpg. So this is my image name, and you can choose any image that you like. Now click next and finish. So see, then OK, and then close. So see, the image is here. So just fill the page with this image. So just increase the size like this. Okay, and also increase the page size, and then yeah, now this is fine. Okay, so again adjust. Like this, and adjust, and it will give the fill, look and feel better. So just click here. Okay, now background image is ready. Now we have to write something that is basically user. It will ask the user ID and the password. For that we have to take 2 label and 2 text, 1 text field, 1 password field, and a button. So just do it quickly. So click label and drop it here and write user ID. user ID. And see, now I have written here user ID, but it's not visible. So what I have to do, basically whatever the controls we will add after this background, so we have to put this before this background option. So just drag the background and keep it at the bottom of all the controls. See, now it's visible, and change the color so it will be more visible. For that I'll use the white color. Okay, then also we can increase the size of the font, like 14. Okay, bold. See, this is user ID. The same way we will use a password. So enter here, we'll choose password, and again keep it above the background by drag the background at the bottom of the other layers, and change the size and make it 14, and also change color this way and make it white. Okay. And like this, user ID and password. Then we put two text field, one text field and one password field. So just click the text field, and here just increase the size and make it blank. So just first make it visible. This is visible, and then password field. We have to take the password field from this palette. Password field. This is password field, and also increase the size of the password field, and again keep it above the background, and then remove the text password option, default password options, and even the default text field. Okay. Now add a button, login button. So basically this is the button, and we'll use the login, and again I will log in. So it's not visible. The same we have to, what we have to do, we will drag this background at the bottom of this button. Now it's visible, and again we can change the size and the color. So color will be here. Okay, I will take a red, whatever colors it is, and also change the size 14 bold. Okay. That's fine. Now login page design is complete. Now we have to write the code for this page. So just double click here, and it will open a code window, and here I have to write the code. So user ID and password. So string both UID, TWT password. So one thing, I have to change the name of this text field for convenience. So by default name is JTextField1, and this is JPassword1. So here I can change here. So right click, change variable name, UID, okay, and this is PWD. Change variable name to PWD password. Okay. Now again to the go back to the this option. So here I will change user ID pass to variable, right? So user ID, now get the input from the text field and the password field. So user ID equal UID dot get text, and pass equal PWD dot get text. Sorry, it's a password, and password basically not in the text form, it's an encrypted form. So that's why I have to use here new string for convert type casting. PWD dot get password. Now Now it's fine. Now we have to compare. Okay, if password is a success, then it will redirect to the next page. So first, before going to the next page, we will check is it correct or incorrect. So if maybe the user ID dot equals like admin and pass dot equals as dare to program, right? So if it's then open. So if it's correct, okay, if it's correct, then so first before going to the next page, first showing the message box in the J option pane. So right here J option and show message dialog. This the next we are going to use your message as login services. If it's not, then else if you will use it instead of here anyone if entering the wrong user ID and password instead of admin and data program. So it will display J option pane dot show message dialog, this and password page. Login ID invalid, valid user ID and password, user ID or password, right? So this thing. Now see one thing, I have written here some the error is showing. So what I have to do, actually I did not include the package of this method, so I have to include this package, and for that I have to go here before your class public class import java x dot swing dot j option pane. So this class, now see error has gone. Now let's check is it correct or not. So click done option. Okay, so showing. So I'm just writing something else like this and writing. So it will show what it's showing. There is something error. It's not showing. Okay, let's try what happened. Let's check J option pane password J button 1. Yeah, so again just try, retry it. Admin dare to program. And click login button. Yeah, login is success. But if I entered anything else, invalid user ID password, no, it's fine, it's working. Now we have to delete the next page. Okay, for that, so what I have to do, I have to add another page. So like in this page, create JFrame form. Like I'm just giving it a profile. Profile. Okay, this is the profile page. So here I'm writing just simply taking a level for demonstration purpose. Welcome to the profile, right? So nothing, I've just written on this thing. Okay, welcome to user profile, and that's it for demonstration. And you can choose anything and you can display it from database. So in the next lectures I will show how to display the report from a database or retrieve. Clear? So how to read it? See, so click here the login page. Here if login is successful, it will get to the next page. So the profile name is, so we have to create an object of the profile next page. So next page name is profile. So profile, I have taken new profile, right? Okay, this is the object. Now p dot new profile. Yeah, profile. Okay, So now something error, profile p. Let's see. And now p dot set visible. Something error it's showing. What error it's showing? Profile, not in package. Actually this is the same package. Just remove it. Profile. Profile. P dot set visible true, and this dot set visible false. This dot set visible false. Okay, it's showing some errors. And what's the error? Just actually I have created in the same page. Though it's showing profile.java. Okay. It's showing that is not in a package, but create a class in a package. Yeah, this is in a package. Okay, just let's run. What happened? Run file. Not to this package, and go to this profile.java. This is profile, and there is login.java. Click here. Just run it. Okay, and the user and password. Again, unit. Dear admin, dear to program. Let's see what happens. Embed user ID password. Maybe something. Embed user ID password. Okay, maybe a small. Login success. Yeah. This one. So basically, it's jumping to the next page. Thank you guys. And subscribe my channels for the next video.